Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Pathfinder. I am here back again with the new question of induction machines from PS Vimra. In this question, it is given a 3-phase 50 Hz induction motor has a full load speed of 1440 rpm. For this motor, calculate the A. Number of poles, B. Full load slip and rotor frequency, C. Speed of stator field with respect to stator structure and rotor structure, D. Speed of rotor field with respect to rotor structure and stator structure and stator field. The data for this question we have to understand is this is the induction motor. In this the stator is stationary and rotor is rotating with the speed nr, and the fields stator and rotor fields both are rotating with the speed ns. So rotor speed is nr and stator speed is 0. So this information will be helpful for us for finding options C and D. Here it is given the speed is 1440 rpm, it is the speed of rotor. So for 50 Hz induction motor, as we know that the full load speed is slip is around 2 to 5%. So speed is nearly about 1400 and 1500, and most probably it is greater than the running speed. So it will be 1500. For 50 Hz, if the speed is 1500, so the number of poles will be 4, and full load speed for slip and rotor frequency we can find by using slip formula S equal to ns minus nr upon nr into 100. So it is almost, so here is ns, so it will be 4%. Slip is 4% and rotor frequency will be 2 Hz, because 4% is multiplied by 50, it will be 2 Hz. So for option C, speed of the stator field with respect to stator structure, so stator field with respect to stator structure will be ns, and with respect to rotor structure it will be equal to s into ns, because rotor field is running with ns and rotor structure is running with nr, so the difference is s into ns. It will be the option from D option. Speed of the rotor field with respect to rotor structure, rotor field is running with ns and rotor structure is nr, so again answer is sns. Second part is rotor structure, rotor field with respect to stator structure, so stator structure is fixed, so the speed is ns for second part, and rotor field with respect to stator field, as both the rotor field and stator field are running with ns, so the relative speed is 0. So for D option, third one is 0.